Okay, so today's video is about simplifying fractions. Simplifying fraction actually means cancelling your fraction to its lowest form, So if I give you an example, let's say 12 out of 15, it will be simplified to 4 over 5. Okay, how did I do it? Let me give you the easiest way to understand simplification. In simplification, we actually divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. So let's say you have 12 and 15 again. Dividing by the same number means, it's easier to understand this way, that they both should come in the same timetable. They both should come in the same timetable. Do they both come in the same timetable? So if you will think, they both goes in the table of 3. If you see table of 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 12, 15, you see. So we divide both of these by 3. So 12 divided by 3 gives you 4, 15 divided by 3 gives you 5, and this is the final answer. Are you getting it? Okay, so let's do some more examples. So you can see 4 over 16. Do they both go in the same timetable? Yes. I'll say they both go in the table of 4. So we should divide them by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So this is the lowest form. But 4 over 16 is also going by one more timetable. As I can see, they both are even. 4 and 16 are even numbers. So without even thinking, I can say that they both goes in the table of 2. So why can't we do it by 2? Yes, we can do it by 2. Let's try. But it won't be in the lowest form. Let's see. 4 divided by 2 and 16 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we got 2 over 8. This is simplified, but it's not in the lowest form. So if the question is being asked that simplified to the lowest, you have to reach to the lowest. 2 and 8 still goes in the table of 2. But if you see here, 1 over 4, now they both does not go in any timetable. But if you will see 2 over 8, yes, 2 and 8, they still go in the table of 2. So you have to divide them again by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and now it's the lowest form because they both now won't go in any timetable together. So you have to simplify by the highest number possible. If you cannot think of a highest number possible, you can start doing them by small numbers, and in the end you will reach to the final answer. Just the question will be a little bit more bigger. That's the only difference. Let's do some more examples from the worksheet and move on. So let's simplify some of these. When I see 15 over 18, I am sure they both are going in the table of 3. So I don't even have to write the divide thing in every question. I can just cancel them. 3 times 5 is 18, 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 5 is 15, sorry, 3 times 6 is 18, so it's 5 over 6. Let's say this one, they both are even, so I think they both are going by 2. Let's see, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 9 is 18. Can we simplify them anymore? I think no, so this is our final answer. Let's take this one, 48 over 56, because they both are even, let's try doing them by 2. 48 divided by 2, any number when you divide it by 2, and if you can't count until 48, just do the half of it. So 48 divided by 2 is 24, and same with this, 56 divided by 2 will be 28. So 24 over 28. Is it the lowest form? I can still see that these both are even numbers, and we can simplify them more by 2. So divide them again, 2 times 12 and 2 times 14. They are still even, 2 times 6 and 2 times 7. I think now this is the lowest form.